At yan din, meron naman tayo natukusang bago ngayong araw tungkol naman sa siyensya.
And of course, Sandro, mula dyan sa siyensya na pumunta naman tayo, alam naman natin na dito sa ating bansa talagang talamak na ang problema natin sa polusyon, sa kalat, sa basura, at nakakatuwang isipin na may isang grupo na tumutulong at ginagawa ang kanilang parte sa paglilinis. So this morning, para kilalanin natin sila, makakasama natin ang ating dalawang very special guests, si Mr. Bob Rivera, ng Planet Dive Resort, manager po siya ng Planet Dive Resort, Mr. Bonnie ang dive master ng Planet Dive Resort. Good morning po.
Good morning. Good morning po. So, siguro simulan po natin, ano po ba itong Clean Planet sa Planet Dive? Alam po natin, Planet Dive po ang resort. Kumbaga,
Yes.
Itong Clean Planet, ay ano po ito para mapag-usapan po natin at mapaalam po sa ating mga manonood ngayong umaga?
Well, Clean Planet is the program of Planet Dive, and this is in conjunction with an international coastal cleanup effort that is done almost every September of each year. And with that international effort, we gather around 500,000 volunteers all over the world, around 100 countries, participate into this. And Planet Dive has always done this for the past 14 years to help out in cleaning the coastline of Anilao.
Usually, sino-sino po yung mga participants dito?
Oh, we have divers and
We have
non-divers
divers,
alike.
we have
Kahit non-divers.
all volunteers who come to the resort when we announce that we have a cleanup. So, yeah, as young as yung mga kids nila, they bring them to the resort to try and help out. Kids of divers, non-divers, like he said. Anyone who wants to do his share to help clean the planet.
Possible po ba na mag-volunteer ang isang non-diver pero ititrain siya sandali ng mga basic?
It is possible, but it's always safer to just for divers to do this,
Yes.
because as you dive and you get trash, you have a different element, no? Because you're trying to manage the trash as much as you're managing yourself.
Siguro ito po maganda pag-usapan kasi baka hindi po naintindihan ng ating mga manonood o hindi po nila alam kung gaano po kalaki yung problema ng dumi nga po sa coast area, lalo na po dito sa Anilao. This is a big problem po, and since this is an annual event, it's a problem na talagang kailangan every year po ay sinusolusyonan po natin.
Alam mo, medyo malaki talaga yung problem natin. Like I was telling you guys, yung habagat season brings in the trash from all other places. Makikita mo, nasa ibabaw ng tubig, nasa ilalim, dinadala ng alon. Makikita mo dyan, maraming diapers, plastic bags, lahat everyday items makikita nyo. And ito, ginagawa namin just to clean it also to create awareness. Kasi hindi lang naman natin hindi natin tayo pwedeng maglinis one day every year. Kasi tapos na tayo, di ba? Pero yung pag-create mo ng awareness para sa mga tao, malaking tulong, di ba?
Yes, it's all about awareness. I mean, I don't know how many people realize, especially in the Philippines, for Filipinos to realize that the Philippines is actually located in the Coral Triangle. And this is between Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Southwest Asia. And this is determined to be a marine biodiverse area. And between Marinduque, Romblon, Batangas, Mindoro, we call it the Verde Island Passage Corridor. And scientists have determined it to be the center of marine biodiversity. So we have such a treasure, just 2.5 hours away from Metro Manila. And we take it upon ourselves to clean the shores and the coral reefs.
And sir, kumbaga yung mga basura na to, gaano po ba kalaki yung damage na nadudulot niya kumbaga sa marine biodiversity at sa iba't ibang mga species po na nakikita nga po doon sa area niyan?
There's a huge impact to it. If you'd imagine that in a small area such as Anilao, almost 70% of the coral species in the Philippines can be found there. And more than half of the fish species in the Philippines can be found there as well. And plastics or styrofoam products or anything like that, the fish gets to eat them and fish die. Or coral reefs get to be destroyed because of these materials. And in fact, removing them, we have to remove them carefully because sometimes you get to disturb the habitat itself.
Pero this year po, nag-start na po ang paglilinis nitong sinasabi nga po natin. Kamusta naman po? Marami pa rin po bang kalat or nalinis na po totally?
In fact, to be honest, the trash has been becoming less and less and less because the awareness has been coming around, and the communities have been helping. The government has been helping creating marine protected areas in certain locations within
As a
Anilao.
matter of fact, in some places, bawal na nga yung plastic, di ba? Especially in Batangas. So, I think through the years, trash is being lessened in the area.
So do you think, sir, is it safe to say na the Filipino people are becoming more aware of the need and their call, kumbaga, to clean up the coastal areas in our
I
country?
think so.
Yes,
Especially media has done its share to promote that awareness as well.
And it's now a matter of encouraging the behavior. If you remember Earth Hour, it's always just
Yes.
once a year, but they
Yes.
now begin to ask the question, what happens after Earth Hour?
Correct.
So it's the same thing. Coastal cleanup, you do it once a year, but what happens after? It's the behavior of trying to encourage people now when every time we dive, we also clean as we dive and as we go. And that helps a lot in being able to encourage everybody to keep our coastline and our coral reefs clean.
Bukod po sa cleanup nito nga Planet Dive Resort, ano-ano pa po ba yung mga iba niyong activities na ginagawa?
We've done many activities in terms of trying to raise awareness on marine science. We've invited schools onto the resort to study the marine protected area, which is in fact just in front of Planet Dive. The dive site is called Twin Rocks, and it's one of the best dive sites that you can find in Anilao. And we've helped students learn more about marine biodiversity through those activities.
So, ang nakakatuwa dito, Sandro, hindi lang sila basta resort, diving resort, kung saan nakakatuwa kasi tinutulungan nila lahat ng mga pumupunta doon at hindi lang yun, kundi lahat ng tao na mag-participate, na encourage nila na tumulong at pinapakita nila yung importansya kung bakit kailangan malinis ang Anilao, Batangas. At hindi lamang yan, kundi pati yung mismo, may mga programs sila and activities available sa kanilang resort na kung saan nagiging aware yung mga tao na pumupunta doon.
Kumbaga, ini-educate nila yung mga tao na parang kung ano yung importansya ng paglinis nga at kumbaga hindi lang natin dapat ini-enjoy yung pag-dive natin. Dapat pinapangalagaan natin para patuloy nga natin ma-enjoy. Pero ito po, sir, about the activities po that are gonna happen on this day. Be on September 21, am I correct? Ano po yung mga nakapaloob sa araw na yun? Ano po yung mga mangyayaring mga programa o mga activities po para sa mga volunteers na dadayo nga po sa Anilao, Batangas at sasali sa inyong
More than 100 volunteers are coming to the resort. So, for inquiries, they can email us at coastalcleanup@planetdive.com.ph or call us at 0917-537-2862, and we'll be happy to accommodate them.
And the website is always open. You can check us out on Facebook, Planet Dive Resorts, or www.planetdive.com.ph. And it's an entire fun-filled day at Planet Dive, both not just diving but socials in the evening,
Yes.
and we're raffling off some stuff just to make it more interesting and more fun for the divers and non-divers alike.
So, ayan, dun sa mga interested po, pumunta na po tayo September 21. Sandro, di ba gusto mo matry
Yes,
mag-dive?
actually, ako gusto ko talaga, kinakausap ko nga sila, gusto ko talagang dumayo sa Planet Dive para nga matuto talaga mag-dive. At syempre, pag ako marunong
Makakatulong na
na,
rin.
makakatulong ka na rin in your own little way.
And of course, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you.
Yan po si Bob Rivera at Mr. Bonnie Ang ng Planet Dive Resort. Thank
Sir,
you so
yes,
much.
you have last message.
Yes, can we thank our sponsors? Tipco by Del Monte, Evergoods, RDF Feeds, Nautilus, and Pacifica Dive Shops. Our media partners, PTV4 and Eastgate Publishing. And the video clip in last 2010 by Dominic Wessa.
Okay, thank you. At yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panahon ngayong umaga.